Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix the Windows errors for both Windows 10 and Windows 11. So I'm going to share it to you different methods and ways. So you just need to follow the method that will best work for you. So first is we can just simply try to restart our Windows, because once we restart our Windows, that will refresh all the system processes and programs on your Windows. Make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. So try and simple restart first. Next method is we also need to make sure that our Windows operating system is up to date, because once updated, we rarely face an issue with it. So click on the start button, go to settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to select Windows Update and simply click this button right here to make sure your Windows is up to date. And once to date, then good. Once up to date, well good. Close this window. For the next method is we can also check the disk space, especially if you're trying to install some programs on your Windows. Make a right click at the start button, then select File Explorer. Click on this PC and make sure you have enough space on your Windows C drive. And if you're not having enough space, then try this method. Go ahead in the Windows search bar, type disk cleanup. You'll find disk cleanup under the best match. Click on that. Click on OK for the Windows C drive. Then here you have to simply check these boxes one by one, and it will be stated right here for the total amount of disk space that you can gain. Click on OK. Click on delete files and wait for the process to be done. And we can also restart the File Explorer, especially for issues like File Explorer crashing. Make a right click at the start button and then select Task Manager. Maximize this. Type Explorer. And you'll find Windows Explorer. Simply make a right click and then select Restart. And after you have clicked on the Restart button, then all the icons on the taskbar will disappear for a while and then will come back just a very short time. And for the next method, we can also run the System File Checker scan of our Windows to check and fix for any system corrupted files, which is a very helpful fix. Go in the Windows search bar, type CMD, click on Run as Administrator. Now type in here SFC space / scan now, hit enter. So while the SFC scan is ongoing, you should not close the window. You can just simply minimize it and come back to it once it is 100% successful, and then close the window and just restart it afterwards. For the next method, we can also use the troubleshooting tools of our Windows. So click on the start button, go to settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, click on System. Scroll down and you'll find Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Then here you'll find a different troubleshooting tools that is specific for the error that you are facing. We have the audio, network, an internet, printer, Windows Update, and many more. So here you just need to simply click on the Run button that corresponds for the issue that you are facing. And what this will do is that it will help you detect and spot the issue or the problem that you are facing on your Windows. And aside from that, this will also give you suggestions and recommendations on how you can fix the issue. So you just need to follow what it suggests and what it recommends. And we can also perform a clean boot. So type msconfig in the Windows search bar. Click on System Configuration. Click on the Services tab. Check this box, Hide all Microsoft services. Click on Disable all. Click on the Start app. Click on Open Task Manager. Change the status from Enabled to Disable. And what you can do is you need to disable all the unnecessary startup programs. Simply make a right click and then select Disable. Now once done, close out of here. Click on Apply. Click on OK. And click on the Restart button. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.